Now I'm gonna tell you 5. I'm gonna count, and then you're gonna do 5.
Okay.
There you go. Come on, come out. Come on.
The vlog is back today. Today's gonna be a really fun one. So today I'm gonna be meeting up with Chef Andre Rush. Really awesome guy. We made a giant tomahawk Wagyu steak. Actually, not tomahawk. We made a giant Côte de Boeuf Wagyu from Pursuit Farms. If you wanna see where to get that Wagyu, the link will be in the description down below. So go ahead and check that out, Pursuit Farms. Thank you very much for that. Chef Andre Rush, really awesome guy. Very humble, wholesome dude, huge dude as well. We did some push-ups together. Also, I want to say a huge thank you. We just hit 300K subs on the channel, and in celebration of that, I'm gonna be giving away a set of my flaky salts. I'm gonna be doing actually 10 of you guys a month, so make sure to be subscribed to the channel because I'm gonna randomly just pick a commenter on the video, and yeah, you'll get some of my gold flaky salt, Millennial Pink, and the Pacific Blue. Really cool box, limited edition. I feel like I just reached 100,000 subscribers, so this is really rad. I really appreciate all of you guys that make it possibility to make cooking videos for a living. This is really rad, so thank you very much. I love this backpack. True Cook's backpack. It's got a spot for my tripod. It's got a pocket here for my camera, but this right here, insulated. This is insulation, so I can put the steak in here. Now we're good to go. Now I can't eat this steak alone, so I'm gonna have to eat it with a friend. I'm gonna be sharing a steak today. Chef Rush.
You sharing this?
It's not enough, huh? Cool, chef. So I think we should just make a steak together. So also, first, y'all, this is Chef Rush. As you can tell, I think he works out.
A little bit, a little bit.
He's visiting Seattle right now, so I thought, you know, what better than to make one of these giant Côte de Boeuf Wagyu steaks. So I don't know if this is enough for you, man.
Like that big. It's gorgeous.
This is a snack for you.
It's a mammoth.
So I guess I don't know. I'll go over with you how I would make it.
Follow you, dude.
Cool. And these Wagyus, they've got that thick fat cap, as you can see right there, nice and thick. So we could just use that fat to cook it. We're gonna cook it in its own fat. So it's right here in the pan here. Just lay that down.
Is that the sound you want?
That's the sound you want. It's talking to you.
That's the sound of fat.
Now, something that you probably have noticed is we haven't seasoned it. I was thinking we could just season it after with the straight up gold flake salt.
Oh.
Yeah. So Chef Rush here, he's just like melting the fat in the pan there. We're gonna cook it in its own fat. How do you like your steaks?
As far as temperature?
Yeah.
Or I usually you know what? I'm a savage. Sometimes I do blue.
Yeah, me too.
Do you really?
Yeah, I love it.
I'm a blue guy.
You a blue guy?
Can you tell me what blue is?
Yeah. I'm a purple.
You're purple?
Feel the pulse.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah. Because it's so big, gotta turn it down a little bit. Tell my friends here what you do, a little bit about what you do. You work at the White House.
So I've worked at the White House for a few administrations, and I was also a military combat decorated vest, which is why you see the medals, Bronze Star, Legion of Merit, couple wars, 9/11. Now I do a lot more things with the military, kids, advocating, promoting about 22 vets commit suicide, but it's actually for mental health. and things like that.
Awesome.
And it was great finally meeting you. We've been like following each other for a very long
Yeah,
time.
we have.
Right? I've been following. Actually, I've been not following him. I've been following his flaky salt.
I'm a big fan of you. That's why I had to bring you. Some.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Look at that fresh. Oh my God. See that?
Gorgeous. And that's got nothing on it right now. That's
Nothing.
just all
That's
the
just-
fat. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cool. All right, Chef. I think this is rested long enough.
Yes.
It's a beauty. We like it. We like it blue, so we're good. On there. Oh, look at that marbling, man.
Oh, it's amazing.
It's like $200 bite, $200 bite, $200 bite.
You ready for this?
I'm ready for it, man. Yes. Damn. Yeah.
Well, that's amazing.
That's money.
That is
Yeah.
insane. That's insane. Right?
Really enjoyed making a steak with you, man. Thanks. Thanks for coming.
No. Thank you.
Anytime. You gotta come through whenever.
I just did with when I was with what's his name, Michael B. Jordan. We were in Fort Jackson, and I had the elite physical fitness guys there. It was about 9 of them. They do physical fitness. They train all over the world. People go do crawl train this, and they're gonna do push-ups with me. I asked them if we're gonna do 5 push-ups. If we don't do the 5 push-ups my way, we have to do 222 push-ups.
Shit.
Right? We made it.
Better do those 5.
We made it to 3 push-ups, and then we wound up having to do 220 push-ups.
Wow.
Right? So you want to do mine, or you want to do?
Yeah, let's do your way.
Okay, let's
What's
go.
your way?
Huh? You just all you're gonna do is you're gonna follow me. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay.
That's all. Go down. No, you gotta follow me.
Okay.
I'm going down though. You gotta follow me.
Oh, you're going slow.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. I'm too fast. Slow down. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. Now, how was your day?
It's good.
Huh? What you
It's
gonna do
good.
rest of
I'm
the
pretty
day?
sore.
Are you so why?
Chest day.
It's chest day with today. You did chest
The other
already?
day,
I did
yesterday.
chest also.
Oh, my
Let's go up. Here, no, wait for me. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. There you go. Come on. Stop. There you go. There you go. Let's stop. There you go. There you go. Stop. Come back down. Come on. Look at me. Look at me.
Crazy, man.
It's all about body.
You 5 of those?
Huh?
5 of those?
Can I do 5 of those?
No, is that what you did with the other guy?
They did 3.
Oh,
Well, actually
yeah.
2.5. So you did good, right? So people think about straining muscles or whatnot.
Yeah.
When it's actually about just you knowing your body, mind, strength. So if I'm doing all these push-ups, first thing I tell people is, because I never lock out. They'd be like, oh shit, I'm not going all the way down, you're not doing this.
Right.
If you're doing so many, you gotta think about your joints.
You don't want to
elbows.
kill your joints.
Yeah, exactly.
You got to take a lot of fish oils.
I mean, if you want to do 125 push-ups at a time, that's easy. If you're doing it once a week or whatever, but if you're doing that many, you're gonna know your body, right?
Yeah.
One thing you see what takes you off your game is I start talking to you. You don't have that body and mind connection because your breathing gets messed up.
Yeah, like I started
Like
shaking.
as soon as you open your mouth, you started shaking.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm like, okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. You know, how's your day?
It's
How's your
crazy.
day?
It's all in that mind-body connection. Peace out, Chef. There he goes. Chef Rush. It was really great to hang out with that guy. Can't wait to edit that steak footage. I think next time we'll probably go to the gym, hit the gym, make some steak or something. But man, Chef Rush, he's huge. You expect him to be like real intimidating and stuff, but the guy is just super humble. Awesome guy. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to see more vlogs, like the video, comment that you want more vlogs, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.